Hello and welcome back, everyone. Today we're going to be working in the guest bedroom. Now, in this new home, we have hardly any storage space. So, things I need to take care of, things I need to put away, store away, whatever, just kind of get dumped in this room all the time. My son is coming home on December 16th for Christmas and he needs a place to stay. So, I need to get these donated. I need to put this away. These are a couple of gifts that need to be wrapped. I have a few things that need to be donated here as well. This I'm giving to a friend. So I'm going to quick get all this stuff out and we're going to make this room a little bit Christmassy so that it goes with the rest of the house and my son has a place to sleep. So stay with me. I'm going to get all this stuff out. Now that I've got the bed all changed out, I got fresh sheets on and a fresh blanket. I have got everything all nicely tucked in. I'm going to take the existing comforter and I'm going to turn it on its opposite side. I love this. It's going to create a neutral background and we'll be able to not have a whole lot of different patterns in here. So I'm going to dress this bed all prettied up, not like it's a normal thing, but I want it to look special. So I have folded down the top part of the comforter and I'm just now going to fold down the top of the blanket. And then we're going to do the same with the sheet. And I folded that over and then folded it back on itself. So I have folded it over and folded it back on itself. So it kind of gave a pretty finished look to the bed. Be very pretty if that blanket was another color, like maybe a slate. All right, let's get some pillowcases and we'll finish getting this done. I'm going to fold this back over because I do not want to see the underside of the comforter. I don't want this paisley to be showing. So we're just going to flip that back around. I do have more pillows and we're going to use them because I want this bed to be very plush. I have been told by my kids and anyone else who has stayed here that this is the most comfortable bed. Now, some of these pillowcases, these new ones, have got a little flap and you just pull that over to cover the end of the pillow. It doesn't always stay there, but it's a good start. All right, now I'm going to open these. I store extra pillows in these zip bags. Ooh. Smell just like when I brought them out of the dryer. All right. This one has that pocket as well, but I'm going to fold this one back. And we're going to put that on. Okay. And then let's place this one. Now I'm going to grab a couple other things. I'm going to pull this down. Now, the pillow sham is only one-sided. Yes. So I am going to use it backwards. And you won't even see you won't really notice. But I wanted to get a little bit more color back here in this pattern. And let's do the same over here. Now, let's grab some decorative pillows. Now, a lot of the theme of my home is snowmen. So, I've got these adorable pillow covers. They came from Walmart a long time ago. They were a Better Homes and Gardens item, and I absolutely fell in love with them. I'm going to pull this cover back just a little bit more. Here we go. All right, so now we're going to place these really pretty pillows. Okay. I just have one more cute little pillow here that I'm going to go ahead and set out, and it's Be Our Guest. I'm going to see if I can take this picture down and see if this one will hang in its place. Maybe. So doesn't that look pretty? I was able to put the Christmas sign up. I've got bed pillows. I've got just pretty pillows here. Your guests can get a choice of their bed pillows depending on how they like the firmness of their pillow. But adding just a couple of little things, I was lucky enough to be able to have this as a neutral to work on and be able to let them know they can be our guest. All right, I've got a cute little Christmas tree that I think I'm going to put here. I think what I'm going to do is put this pretty blanket down here on the bottom. All right, I think we're done. Let's take a look around. Does this look more inviting? A cute Christmas picture above the bed. I've got the linens all changed out and did them all in neutral. And I love the idea that I had this gray on the opposite side of the comforter that I always use. I've got some really sweet snowman pillow covers that I bought a long time ago at Walmart, and they were a Better Homes and Gardens brand, and they're really nice. They zip on. And then I decided to use this little throw at the bottom of the bed. And if we come back over here, just a couple of little things here. I've got a little Christmas tree that I decided to bring up. Does that not look inviting? I hope this is something that will inspire you to try and make something really fun for your Christmas holiday and for your guests. Make sure that they know they're welcome. Make sure that you watch the other videos that I have posted this year regarding home decorating for the holidays. Thanks for stopping in. Really think this turned out really nice. Very little effort. All I did was change the sheets, turn the comforter on its other side, added a couple of Christmas elements, used neutral sheets, and we have a beautiful guest bedroom. So come on with me, we're going to have some fun.